To create a form, click the Forms tab on the left-hand navigation bar and then the green New Form button. Select a form type. This example will be creating a web form. Next, give the form a title. Your name and API path fields will auto-populate based on the title there. And we're going to be creating an application form today. First thing I want to do is add a couple of layout fields. Layout fields change the way fields display and are presented. And I'm going to add a panel here, which is going to house all of my contact information fields for the application. Give the panel here a nice color. Next thing I want to do is add a column to the field here. To drag a component, you simply just click the component type from the component groupings, drag it over, and then drop it in the blue drop zone here. All right, next thing I want to do is add my field. So I'm going to add a first name field here. When you add a field, the settings for that field will automatically open. Here we can modify all of the available settings for the component. So I think I'm going to add first name label here. We'll add a nice placeholder. And then we can do other things like make this field required. So I'm going to click the validation tab and check the required checkbox here. Now that we have our fields in place, you may want to add an action to the form. Actions are a way of extending the form's capability after something happens with the form, like a form submission. So we're going to add an email action to the form, which is going to fire off an email containing the field data of the submission after the form has been submitted. So let's save our action. Next, we're going to click the Use tab, which is a great way of previewing your form as well as test your form functionality out. You can also make submissions with the Use tab here, which is what we're going to do now. And after I make the submission, I should receive an email containing the form data shown right here.